welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay. I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari.
I'm Tyler, part-time seller on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari.
And today's video, we are doing a Thredup unboxing.
It's been a while.
It's been a really long time. So if you guys found us back when the only video that ever went semi-viral happened, we were doing Thredup unboxings quite a bit because during the pandemic, that was kind of, well, during the lockdown of the pandemic that we're still in.
Yeah, because it's still a thing.
Yeah. We were doing mostly online sourcing, and Thredup was a big lifeline for me. I still really enjoy Thredup. It's just, I hadn't been...
They go well for you most of the time, knock on wood.
Yeah, I just hadn't been, really excited about the boxes because I like new and different. And, there wasn't a lot of new and different going on.
Yeah.
Anyways, so if you like unboxing videos, if you like haul videos, anything reseller related, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel and give this video a big thumbs up so I know that you want to see more Thredup unboxings. If you guys tell me you want to see them, I will make sure that I will order them, even if this is not something I'm super excited about. I usually end up excited about the box because I like mysteries.
Yes, you do.
I do. And make sure you also comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this box. Let me know your experiences with Thredup. If you've ever tried it, if you're looking to try it, let me know. Also, I'm going to leave a link down below for you to try out these rescue boxes for yourself. I don't know if they always do this, but if you sign up through my link below, you will get a $20 credit to your first purchase. I think it's normally $10. It says now through 12/1, so I think it might be a limited time thing. I don't know. I might be wrong. Haven't actually done this in a long time with Thredup. It's been decades, it feels like. So, anyways, we are going to get into this. I am hoping, I've seen some reformation come out of these boxes. I've seen Madewells and all this stuff, so I'm hoping
Darling, you're getting way too overly excited.
I'm hoping for one exciting
for a denim
piece.
box.
You know what I'm saying? The last denim box we did a what sold for. We spent approximately $50. You can go back and look at the video.
It was the original denim box. It's the big one like this one, not the smaller denim box.
Yeah, we gave our exact numbers, but we ended up profiting over $400 on the box. So definitely worth it. If you want to see a good box, if this ends up being a dud, go check out the video. It was good.
Yeah.
All right, let's get into it. That's a lot of denim.
Well, it's a denim box. Lee
shorts, okay.
Shorts.
They're like mom shorts.
Yeah.
I don't see a size.
I don't see a size either.
Yeah, so there's no size, so we would have to put measurements on this, but I mean, mom shorts are kind of in, so hey. Itty bitty baby. I think it's
They're Joe's.
Oh, it's itty bitty baby Joe jeans.
Baby Joe jeans.
Oh, so any Joe jean fans out there have itty bitty babies. They're so cute. Do these have a size? Itty bitty baby size?
No.
Hold on. 24M, so 24 months, I think. I don't have an itty bitty baby, but it's adorable.
These are...
They say something on the button.
Jeans.
Oh.
They say jeans on the button.
Well, they are jeans, so they aren't steering you wrong.
Let's see.
Oh.
I think it's...
It's going to be a long unboxing because we can't figure anything out.
I have no idea.
All right, let's show them.
It's a skirt.
It's a skirt, if you can't tell. It's jeans. And it's... I think it's like a Japanese brand or something to that effect. So that's the tag there. I have no idea. I don't know if this is worth selling, but it's cute. I just don't know what it is.
This is Loft. It's a nice kind of jean top, size medium.
Almost chambray.
Yeah.
This is actually cute. We don't sell a lot of Lofts,
this is going to be a long video.
When we do, I like this type of stuff. Ooh,
Trues.
okay, work.
Raw hem, True Religion. Do they have a size? They're 25.
Yeah, so it's a small size, but these are cute.
They got the distressing on the front.
This is the butt. Yep, I'll show that. These are the bum. This is the distressing and the raw hem, which we love a good raw hem. So, okay, that's probably what I'm most excited about so far.
Wallflower.
Okay, I mean,
Size 3.
So I'm not in love with this brand, but the style is super cute. Size 3. Look at that butt. Okay. A lot of summer, so that's a little bit scary given that we're moving away from summer. But
Levi 5'11", 32, 34.
Are those men's?
probably.
I like the wash.
I mean, they're nice, classic fit, and they won't fit me. They fit my brother.
Ethan?
Yeah.
So his younger brother would probably fit. But these are a cool wash. I do actually really like them. And so you can see there you go. But I like these. What are those?
Old Navy Flirt.
Okay, I mean, Old Navy does actually sell, not for a lot of money, but
16 reg.
But it's a good size.
Just normal jeans.
I don't see anything wrong with it. So hey, you know, we are not against selling any and all things that are possible.
No.
Oh, he got excited.
You got what you wanted.
Oh, I did say. Ooh!
Madewell jean jacket, size medium.
I literally said before this video, people are getting jean jackets, and I just want a jacket.
On the car ride home, she wanted a jean jacket. It's also your size.
Yeah, Madewell, size medium.
I mean,
guys, let me just see. What? I want to know the fits. Come on, guys, look at this. Look at it. Look at it.
2 for 2. Another jacket. It's yellow. Chico's Platinum 0.
Okay, well, one thing I know is do not use a stock photo for that. Chico's will get you. But yeah, so another jacket. Okay. I don't have a lot of experience with Chico, so if you guys know what Platinum is versus their other tags, let me know. I don't sell a lot of it. But size 0. It's cute. So
More Levi's. These look old. At least it's not the standard tag badge.
If you guys know, I like Levi's, but I don't know.
It's actually a button-down line.
Oh, it's a button front.
32, so also men's.
Okay, so it's men's, which we need to be adding to that category, so I'm okay with it. I actually kind of like the line. There's like almost like a fleet line, but it's not a fleet. Kind of like that. Looks nice.
Deal 1961.
You know, I've been told to like
size
them.
27.
They don't sell for me, but we'll try again. We will pick ourselves up and try again.
Dust yourself off and try again.
Oh, you're right. Is there anything defining about this? Nope. So nothing I can tell you except for that they're stretchy.
Stretchy black jeans.
Yep.
Joe's W27 Chelsea fit.
Oh, those are cute.
They got the cuffing on the bottom. They got the nice distressing all over.
So you see that?
It's hard to be mad at that.
These are cute. These are really cute. They're really cute. Yeah, I definitely like these. And this is the back.
Old Navy 14 shorts.
All right. I mean, I'm not super into summer right now just because we're out of the season, but there are places that are warm all year round, so.
Chico's Platinum Denim.
More Chico's Platinum, so I'm gonna need to really learn these Chico's tags, eh?
Size 00 short.
So for a little person, even littler than I. There we go. I mean, they're cute and they're in good condition. I just don't know anything about Chico's, so this is going to be a learning experience. It's actually one of my favorite things about these boxes, the learning experience.
Forever 21, 28.
Okay, I mean, the problem with these would be the puckering right at the, so I don't know if I can sell these, but hey, one item so far, maybe 2, not a bad deal.
Uniqlo 7, 8.
I'd sold a Uniqlo.
These are kids though.
I sold a Uniqlo though, so maybe I can.
Those have to be kids, right?
Yeah, they are. They are kids. They got the elastic waist, 7, 8.
Ooh, you're.
Oh, that's cute. Whatever that is, it's cute.
Dance and Marvel.
Never heard of it, but.
I mean,
guys, it's cute.
It's got the cut in the sleeves.
I don't know if you guys know this brand, but this is cute. I don't know what it is. If I have
It's got statement sleeves. It's got a lot of distressing.
It is. I don't know if you guys can see. This is the cut sleeve, which is intentional. A little bell action going on there. We've got some ruffles on the back here. Guys, this is cute. I don't know what this brand is, but someone needs to tell me. What size is it? Says nothing. decidedly nothing.
Nope, no tag.
So not sure, but if you know anything about this brand, please let me know because that's cute. Like that's really cute.
Gap jeans, size 10. Skirt.
Skirt, yes. All right.
This is the thing that never ends.
This is the box that never ends. There's a lot of singing going on today. These are more Joe's.
More Joe's babies.
Oh. Is it still 24 months? Because I could lot them.
It says 2T.
It's not. Wait. 24 months is 2T. Well, it's 2 years.
Yeah, I would imagine they're
I don't know
probably.
if it's the same. We don't have children.
We do not have kids.
But look how adorable. Oh, so cute.
Hot kiss.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of that.
No, I mean they're
fine.
fine.
They're not really my thing, but hey, you know, some people might like them. For little person too, the size 0.
Just USA. Authentic originals. Size 1. They got a lot of distressing. They're stretchy.
I don't know what this is. They don't feel great. So I don't think it's anything exciting, but hey, you know, they are cute style. So I'm sure somebody will want them.
Another pair of Old Navy size 14.
My goodness, with the shorts. They're really trying to offload those shorts, eh?
Well, yeah. Then Massimo 26R.
He just went, look. Well, they're not awful. People do actually like the fit of these jeans, so brand snob over here.
A lot of toddlers.
Yeah.
Garanimals 3T.
Garanimals. I wonder if that's like the food, isn't it? Oh, is it? I don't know what it is.
You're on
They're
your own on that one.
cute. I mean, they're cute. I don't know if we'll be able to sell them just because we don't sell kids clothing, but hey, like, I mean, we can figure out a way.
American Eagle size 0 jeggings.
American Eagle generally does okay. We haven't sold everything, but the jeggings do seem to do better. So I do like the butt on these too, and they are distressed. Oh no, they're not distressed. I lied to you. They're not distressed, but they're like a washed out color, which is nice.
I don't know what this brand is. It says Trevero.
I don't know.
3430.
Looks so men's.
I mean, it looks the tag on the inside is really cool looking.
Origin Italy, made in Mexico. Don't know if you guys know anything. I've never seen that before. Don't know. But looks like men's jeans. So hey, we're gonna get to add to our men's section, so that is a definite positive. There we go.
Loft 24, or is this? It says 24 then 00. So
Yeah, 24 is probably pretty close to 00. It says slim, so these are skinny jeans. Very nice.
Tommy Hilfiger.
Oh, Tommy.
Size 4.
Hey, Tommy. More shorts or no, it's a skirt. It's a raw hem skirt. You can see the raw hem. It's cute. Don't mind it.
Vegas fit skinny 27.
I mean, the last pair of Vegas I had took a very long time to sell, but they did eventually sell.
I mean,
That butt's cute.
it's missing a
Although
couple.
it must hurt to sit on. Can you imagine?
Yes, I sit on a wall all of the time, darling. Welcome to being a man. And actually having pockets that you can use.
I wish I had pockets large enough to put a wallet in. Thank you very much.
Yeah, but it's the George Costanza. I sit like this, off to the side.
Well, this you would just not sit at all, I guess. I don't know what's going on there. I mean, you've got both pockets just owies.
J. Crew, size 28.
They're the Reed jean,
The
if that
Reed
means something. We don't sell a lot of J. Crew because our thrift stores, unfortunately, price it up insanely. So it's nice to see them because I know that people swear by selling them. Just, I mean, they're like 12 and up in our thrift stores. Just
Slightly stained Aeropostale.
okay. Well, we might be able to do
Size
something
2.
about it.
It'll come right out. It's just on the front.
It's button up, so it's not always as good. But hey, you never know. Someone out there might be looking for it.
Volcom brand jeans.
I feel like Volcom was popular back when we were young.
I think so.
You know, because I'm old now, so. This was a size 7, so it's definitely juniors.
These feel like they're the worst thing ever. These feel worse than the Massimo. Paris Blues.
Oh yeah, not so great. But hey, you know, win some, you lose some. There's the cuff on the bottom, so it is cute. They feel not great.
I mean, American Giant, 30W.
Is that men again?
I'm thinking it's 30 women's.
Oh.
With 32 length.
Oh, I thought it was 30 waist, 32 length.
Maybe.
You silly person.
Maybe.
So, American Giant, never heard of it. Doesn't feel bad.
They feel very sturdy.
Yeah, so if you guys know what American Giant is, this is the tag. They look nice.
Cool logo. I mean, made in America.
Yeah. So I don't know anything about this, but if you do, drop that in the comments below. What do you think the best piece was from here?
Oh, the Made-Well jacket.
Yeah.
It's not even. I mean, how are you going to argue that? Like, that's.
The True Religions were really nice too. I really like the raw hem. But yeah, so as
also
we
that
said,
other jean jacket, which is super cool.
oh, the Chico's one?
No.
Oh yeah, I don't even know what the brand was,
like
but
Dreamer,
it had all the cuts.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyways, guys, that is everything from this box. There's a ton of things. Not everything is a home run, but I think we'll still make our money back. I
think you're going to get close to making your money back just on the Made-Well.
Yeah, I think so too. The only thing I'm a little bit disappointed about is the amount of baby clothes because we don't sell kids. But if you guys sell kids clothes and you want it, we can give it to you for like a crazily low price because we don't sell it. So we don't have any.
You could also try it. What's the harm in trying?
But there might be somebody out there who's looking. So
yeah,
I'm trying
to buy for a baby that loves Joe's. Because babies love Joe's.
It is kind of adorable. But anyways, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know if there are other Thredup boxes you are waiting to see us open. I am always all over the place when I'm looking for these and don't know what to grab. So,
a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, so let me know. I know that there's still the fun box we haven't done, the mixed clothing 25-pound box we haven't done.
T-shirts
we haven't done. So let us know in the comments below. If there's something else you want us to do, we will do it. So just let me know. And remember, there is a link down below in case you guys want to try this for yourself.
Get the discount, you might as well.
Yeah, might as well get $20 off. Why not? But that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll be back really soon with a new video.
Thank you all for watching.